I want to talk about extremely quiet sledgehammer and splitting wedge. I have these big rounds that I need to split in half so they are movable. This would work really well. So it has this side here rubber piece that actually comes off and replaceable, and so is this one. This one comes off and replaceable. This is two different brands, but they both have an amazing idea. Even if you hit like a metal on top of metal, it probably will deteriorate faster and you'll have a lot of vibration onto your handle, to where whenever you're hitting plastic on plastic you have minimal vibration. So first we're gonna go steel on steel, two metal pieces. See how loud that is? Oh yeah, the camera probably will not give it justice. It works really well, but it is really loud. Versus this splitting wedge, it just sounds like a little slap. And even whenever I'm hitting on the metal, dives in really good, both of them. And same thing right here. It is loud. You hear the difference? Definitely feel the hits on this one a lot more. Let's just finish off. Very quiet. We'll do two more halves just to listen. Very long and powerful. 1, 2, 3. It has a big knot. Might have to put 2 wedges in. But you see, I'm hitting as powerful as I can, and it's extremely quiet, to the point I don't even have to have ear protection. Look at that. Beautiful. Here we're gonna do the same thing with the metal on metal. Yeah, that is loud. Both work really well. So overall it's an amazing idea. Much quieter, is better on my ears, and also way less recoil because it's like a shock absorber a little bit. But overall it did not see any difference. It went through just with the same power. Honestly, it was better because it's longer, I think easier to drive it in. So these two little tools, definitely the best splitting wedge.